Hi, my name is Sloan and welcome to this week's Fit in 15 Abs and Core. So just like your cardio had a theme of knees, so does your abs and core. Your abs are going to be so awesome after this week. It's going to be amazing. All right, so here's drill number 1. So last week we did those basic power taps. So same thing, but you're going to tuck up instead. So instead of just tapping, you're going to bring your entire body up, tap those heels, and come back. All right, that's it. You're going to stay here for 1 minute. Modifications here, here, whatever works for your fitness level. You could even just do regular crunches without the knees if that's what you feel like you need to do. Okay? Now, drill number 2, I'm going to show you the super advanced version, and then I'm going to give you all kinds of modifications. So first and foremost, mountain climbers is the theme for this one. I love them. I don't care how great your fitness level is. After 20-30 seconds of mountain climbers, it is hard. It's hard to do it for an entire minute. I totally get that. So just do what you can do with all the different things that I'm going to show you. All right, so the basic mountain climber, where you're going to start, here, you're pulling your knees into your chest. Now, for those of you that have been around a while, you're going to move in your mountain climbers. So it looks like this. So you're going to start moving. Okay, while you're doing your mountain climbers, stop when you get to the side. Go back to the center. Stop when you get to the center. Okay, and then you're going to rotate the other way. Stop, and then move it back. And stop. So don't just go like balls out crazy and move all over the place. Control yourself. Turn and stop. Come back and stop. Turn and stop, come back and stop. Okay, modifications if you're new or newer, you can just stay here the whole time. You can knee, knee, okay? You could even do one knee 30 seconds, the other knee 30 seconds. If you're brand spanking new, come to all fours, time yourself, 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side. You can just tuck and lift, tuck and lift, all right? That way you have somewhere to start and somewhere to build from. All right, our third and final drill. This doesn't look like much, but this is a good one. You are here in a tabletop. Flex your feet. All you're doing is just tapping your heels. That's it. Hands are down by your side, head is down. You're not only going to feel this here, you're going to feel this in your quads. Okay, so just 1 minute. Make sure you keep those knees bent and make sure those heels keep tapping. That is the entire thing. I figured you deserved that after that whole mountain climber incident situation. All right, so those are your 3 drills. Have fun with that.